Welcome back, friends, to another episode of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry. This is a very special edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry, and I'll get to that in just a second. But as I always like to do, I'd like to encourage you to like the channel, subscribe to it, and leave a comment, and definitely share with your family and friends. I'll also leave the website information in the description below. In this episode, we're going to be talking about my Signature Seasonings and BBQ Rubs. Again, I'll leave the store information in the description below. But in the meantime, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what makes my seasonings so special and a must-have in your kitchen or your restaurant or business. First off, I have 3 different varieties. One flavored with cherry wood smoked sea salt, another flavored with apple wood smoked sea salt, and yet another flavored with hickory wood smoked sea salt. These are my initial flavorings, more to come. I'm looking to add a spicy variety a little later on down the road. Now, in addition to my 3 varieties, you'll also find each variety in 3 separate sizes. We have a small size, a medium size, and the large size. And we can even accommodate much larger sizes for barbecue and smokehouse establishments. And because of the all-purpose nature of my seasonings, restaurants small and large can benefit from my seasonings as well. Virtually any food service establishment can benefit from my Signature Seasonings and BBQ Rubs. So what exactly goes into my Signature Seasonings? Well, there's a foundational blend of spices and seasonings that I start with, but then there are other assorted herbs and spices that help distinguish the different varieties from one another. For example, my cherry wood smoked variety has a spice combination of cherry wood smoked sea salt, smoked paprika, curry powder, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, regular salt and seasoned salt, and those other assorted herbs and spices that help differentiate my seasonings from one another. The same is true for my apple wood smoked variety, as well as my hickory wood smoked variety. As I mentioned before, my seasonings are great for grilling and smoking, but the all-purpose nature of my seasonings also allows for other uses. For example, I'm using them with seafood here. I also use it with a pork shoulder. Here I'm using it with a beef tomahawk steak. Here, a slab of ribs. And those are just a few uses of my all-purpose barbecue seasonings and rubs. You can also use them for vegetables, lamb, chicken, eggs, even microwavable popcorn. In fact, you can add it to most anything for a flavor burst that I know you'll enjoy. So be sure to get your bottle of Signature Seasonings and BBQ Rubs. Once again, you can find the link to my online store in the description below. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. And remember to season your things with Seasonings.